Hey everyone, it's Spramani with Nature of Art, and I'm here with another episode. I want to talk about different things that children can paint with. Now, if you missed my last episode, you can check it out. I was talking about how to choose paintbrushes and what's important for children to use and for you when you're shopping and preparing art lessons for your students. So today I want to talk about other things that kids can paint with because I know that we talked about paintbrushes, but there are other items that kids can paint with, like sponges and paint rollers. And I just wanted to take a moment to talk about that. I love these sponges. They come in different sizes and they make round circles, and it's actually just a sponge. These are great for kids to dip into paint and make little round dots. It's great for small hands, and toddlers love this. They can hold them easy or they can hold them like this. Paint rollers are really fun. You can find these in craft stores or education art supply companies. I do carry these items on my website, but you can find these almost anywhere. These are fun. These have little textures. So when they put paint on them and roll them, they'll leave little dot patterns and textures. You can see there's different textures here. So I want you to think other than just paintbrushes, sponges, even like a basic sponge. You can cut sea sponges, you can cut sponges like your house sponges, all kinds of different ways rather than a paintbrush. So if you're thinking about ways to make it fun and teach kids, it's great for kids for dexterity and hand movement to do big areas using their big arms and using their wide brush strokes because as you know, younger kids are just getting control of their gross motor, and then they're going to go into using their fine motor movements. So these are just some great ideas for you. Stay tuned to next episode. I'll be talking about some more fun ideas, different techniques you can use for scraping and splattering paint. Check that out. Again, Spramani with Nature of Art. Bye-bye.